If you have an agency for content creation, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your content creation agency business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your content creation agency using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I'm going to enter a key message on WhatsApp web. As soon as I have entered my message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: view our service, submit a brief and talk to our team. I'm going to click on view our service. As soon as I have selected view our service, I got a response in which they mention all their service with a menu option. I'm going to click on menu button. As soon as I have selected the menu button, I got initial message again. This time I'm going to click on submit a brief. To submit my brief, they want few details like my name and brand name. After that, they want to know about type of content. Now they want to know about the platform. After that, they want to know about the tone. Fifth question, they want to know about the deadline. Sixth question, they want to know about the attachment or guideline. As soon as I have submitted all the information, they have responded me with a message which says we will acknowledge your brief within 30 minutes. And with that also, they have provided me a menu option. I'm going to click that. Again, I got initial message. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much better and fun, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for content creation agency, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your content creation agency. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and over here I'm going to browse my image like this. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message. As you can see, I have entered my message which says, welcome to Inspire Agency, we turn your idea into words that work. For social caption to website, blog to brand stories, we create content that converts, connect and captures. How can we assist you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button: view our service, submit a brief and talk to our team. Now I'm going to put separate message for each action button. Let's start with view our service. To tell about our service, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned all our services with a service menu. With that, I'm going to provide an action button menu and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our next action button, which is submit a brief. To submit a brief, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my ask question, and I'm going to enter my message where I have mentioned that please answer the following to get started. Number 1, your name and brand name. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Similarly, I'm going to add 5 more questions like type of content, word count or platform, tone, deadline, attachment for reference and guideline. And with that, I have selected their contact custom field as well. Now, after knowing each and every detail, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned that we acknowledge your brief within 30 minutes. And with that, I have provided an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier. Now let's move to our last action button, which is talk to our team. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this where I have mentioned that have a query about tone, keywords or creative direction. Message us anytime between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Our team usually respond in 15 to 30 minutes. And with that also, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message again. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for content creation agency. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.